We're back in Cully's kitchen today, and we are doing a little recipe for the smoked haddock and salmon chowder. And we're going to simply cook the mussels in some white wine and chopped parsley and add them to the chowder.
So we're just going through the mussels here. These are just arrived. So I'm just in front of the sink. So you need to just pull off the bits and just make sure that they're okay. Mussels just require a bit of cleaning out, just pulling out the beards, just like that.
All we've done here is simply heated up our chowder. We're going to stick our mussels in here.
Yeah, chuck mussels in there, about a dozen mussels. Drop of wine. You throw on the lid there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see some of them are opening. It's perfect.
I'm going to chop a little parsley.
They've all opened up, cut.
Yeah, all good?
Yeah, all good.
Prettier if you pop them like this. Get another one. And there you have it.
How long does that take? Like, all of about 2 minutes.
I'd say not even. Ta-da!
Dinner party. Eat your heart out.
You can do mussels, you can add just chunks of fish mix that you buy in your local fish
Smoked
things.
salmon,
And you know, it's a really lovely simple soup, or else it's a really good base for a much more sophisticated fish chowder.